It's the Arcade Master Puzzle event on Rollercoin, and we've also got a race tournament that's currently going on. Let's check out all the rewards that you can get for these events right here on That Techo guy. Stay tuned. Okay, so a bit of nostalgia with the Arcade Master Puzzle event and the race tournament that is currently going on. On my screen here, you can see the homepage of Rollercoin. At the top here, where there are all the events that are going on at the moment, you can see that one of them is the Arcade Master Puzzle event. Right below that on the homepage, you can see Race Tournament that has another 7 hours remaining, just a bit more than 7 hours remaining at the time of recording this video. These race tournaments normally only last for 1 day, okay? So you really have to get it done as soon as possible. So Arcade Master Puzzle event, let's kick off with that. So here you can see the Arcade Master Puzzle event, and you can see all the tasks that you would need to complete. Now here you can see that there are 16 tasks, okay? I've already got one of them that has been claimed, that I've completed that one, which was the open 2 lucky cases. Now, if you complete all 16, obviously, you'll be getting all the rewards that are in the puzzle pieces as well as in the progression bar, but you only need 12 to get all the rewards that are in this progression bar at the top. And the very last one is the Miner Bros Pro, which will give you a mega 6 petahash in power, and this cannot be sold, okay? So if you see the points at the very top, it's a little bit different this time. So as soon as you complete one task, you're going to immediately get this rack that I've already received, which is the Retro Arcade Rack 6, and this also can't be sold. Once you do another 4 on top of that one and have a total of 5 tasks completed, you'll be able to get the Miner Bros Classic, which will give you a 1.96 petahash power. And again, this miner cannot be sold. Add on another 4 to that and you'll get to level 9 and you'll be getting the Miner Bros Advanced Miner. Again, that can't be sold, and this will give you 4.56 petahash. And last but not least, you then only need another 3 tasks to be completed and you'll get the Mega Miner Bros Pro with 6 petahash in power. Now remember that for each and every task that you complete, you are not only progressing in the progression bar at the top, but you're opening a puzzle piece at random here and getting one of these rewards at random. There is the Arcadester there at 2.82 petahash with a 2% bonus attached to it, which is quite significant as well. As you can see, there are quite a few temporary bonus power for 7 days, and that's 650 terahash, and I've already gotten one of those because there were a total of 4. There's the Almost Switch at 582 terahash, but that gives you 2% in bonus power, which is quite good as well. Thinktronic at 1.2 petahash, and this is the rare edition at 1.1% bonus attached to that Thinktronic. And you also get the legendary, the golden ticket, which will give you a whopping 7.7 petahash and 2.67% in bonus power, okay? So that is actually the most powerful miner that you can get in this puzzle event. Even more powerful than the Miner Bros Pro here at the end, which will give you 6 petahash in power, okay? So quite a bit of RST as well there. You can see 600, 400, 120, 320, and 180. So you can get quite a bit of RST as well for you to be able to spend in the season store. And you can open some of those parts cases and be able to use those parts to merge your miners. Running quickly through the task list. So I've already done the open 2 lucky cases one, and the 2 lucky cases one will also contribute to the race tournament, which I will be explaining in a moment. Exchange 3 RLT, win 60 games, merge 90 parts, exchange 12 RLT, win 90 games, open 12 lucky cases, merge 180 parts, exchange 34 RLT, win 120 games, open 34 lucky cases, merge 270 parts, exchange 72 RLT, win 150 games, open 72 cases, merge 360 parts. By merging those parts, you're creating rarer parts, and you can use those rarer parts to create even more powerful miners than you would if you just had the common parts, okay? It's important to note that this is merged 360 parts, so that's when you're actually merging things like wires, hash boards, and fans. I'm not totally sure if it's applicable when you actually merge miners, but actually I will quickly try that now just to see. So I've already merged 20 out of 90 parts. If I go to the merge section, I'm just going to quickly merge one of my miners. It doesn't matter which one, I'm just going to do the highest power one for now. Okay, so let's say I'll merge, for example, the disco roll. Okay, I've got 2 of those already, so I'm just going to merge them into a rare. So if I merge those, just to demonstrate, okay, and I go back to the puzzle event, that 20 became 21. So it actually does also include the miners as well. It's not just the parts, okay? So that is pretty much the Arcade Master puzzle event and all the rewards that you can receive and all the tasks that you can complete. Again, you don't need to complete all 16, but if you do, obviously you get more rewards. So now going on to the race tournament. If you click on go here, you will be greeted with the message. Now, in order to unlock this race tournament, you can see that for each lucky loot box, you get 1,000 points. And for each game that you play, you get 100 points. You do need 3,000 points in order to unlock the race tournament. So at the moment, I'm at 2,700 out of 3,000. So if I win like 3 games, I'll have unlocked this race tournament and I'll be in the running as well. Or I can just open another lucky loot box, okay? So I'm just going to open another lucky loot box so I can continue with the race tournament and show you the rewards that you can get there as well. 1 lucky loot box, and that wasn't very lucky because I lost 0.99 of an RLT, but that's fine, not a total big loss. I'm going to go to the home section now, and I'm going to go to the race tournament, and you can see that I'm currently in place 6. Okay, so unlock lucky loot boxes and win games like I explained, currently at position 6. Obviously, this will change in the next 7 hours, most likely. So if I check what reward I'm currently getting, it is the Quantum Core X9, which I believe I already have. It has 850 terahash in power, and it can be sold. At the moment, there's Jim War 95 in the first place with 30,000 points. If I click on the miner here, you can see that this is the Game Boy Rare Edition, and it can still be sold as well, and it will give you 2.9 petahash in power if you manage to secure that first place. But look at the RST here, 5,000 RST. That is great, and I think that's the most I've seen in any of the race tournaments so far. 10,000 temporary bonus power if you make it to first place as well. If you make it to second place, you'll get the Ping Pong Rare Edition at 3.4 petahash in power. And if you make it to third place, you'll get the Mega Miner, which is the Epic version at 2.3 petahash in power. So quite a significant amount of power, and obviously these do also have bonus power attached to them as well. You have to make it to at least level 20 for you to be able to get some form of reward. Any less and you won't get any rewards, okay? So just keep that in mind as well. And that is pretty much the race tournaments. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.